everyone. Are you tired of designing websites from scratch in Elementor? Well, today I am going to show you three amazing ready-made theme kits that will help you build stunning websites in minutes. Let's dive in. First up, we have Starter Templates by Astra. It offers 100 plus ready-to-use website templates for different industries. The best part, you can import a full website with just one click. Let me show you. For this, we need to install the starter templates. First, we need to go to plugins and add new plugin. Then search for starter templates in the search bar. Yeah. When you see it, just install and hit the activate button. So we need to click on get started. Click on Velvet templates and we need here to click on Elementor as we are already using Elementor. Here you can see a lot of pre-built websites are given to you. You can choose the one which you like the most. So I will go with this theme, Outdoor Adventure. I can just click on that, continue, continue, and I understand. And let's go. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to fully install to your website. So till then, we need to keep some patience. Yo, we can visit our website or view our website too. Look, it's that simple. You get a fully responsive and professional looking website in seconds. Now let's go to the second ready theme template that we can use. So the next we have Templately. What makes Templately special? Its cloud that is its cloud storage feature. You can store, share, and reuse your favorite templates across multiple websites. So for this too, we need to add new plugin and search for Templately in the search bar. For this, click on install and hit the activate button. For this, you need to first log in. As I don't have an account, so just go to free sign up, enter your name and last name, email address, and password. For this, you will receive an email on your mail for the setup process. Just verify your email from there. I have verified my email, so we need to explore the available templates available over here. So first we need to click on the starter, and then let's click on this and insert full site. We can give the site title or site tagline later on. Next, install and proceed. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes, so we need to wait. Now we can visit our website. Like this, you can get access to thousands of pre-designed blogs and full website kits, making it a great tool for designers who work on multiple projects. And finally, let's check out Royal Elementor. If you want premium looking tablets without the premium price, this plugin is for you. Whether it's for business websites, portfolios, or blogs, it has everything you need. For this, we need to go to plugins, add new plugin, and search for Royal Elementor. Click on the install button and activate. We can now skip this part and now let's pick a template. Simply browse the Royal Elementor library, choosing the design that fits your style. For me, I will just opt for travel website. Yeah, we need to click on the import template and we have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes.